The Home Ministry is examining a request to withdraw the Padma Shri conferred to actor Saif Ali Khan. The centre is examining now the request to withdraw the award following a complaint that was filed by an RTI activist. The activist has complained that the actor has been booked for a brawl in a Mumbai pub in the year 2012, and hence the honour that was bestowed on him should now be withdrawn. In reply to the RTI activist's query, the MHA has said that the demand is currently being examined by the government. The 43-year-old actor allegedly got into a scuffle with a South African-based businessman in the year 2012. The businessman had filed a complaint saying the actor got into a scuffle and punched him in the face. Saif was conferred the Padma Shri in the year 2010 for outstanding contribution in the field of art. We have Kamaljeet joining us on the live, I beg your pardon, from the capital for more on the story. Kamaljeet, is there a precedent to say when an honour like the Padma Shri has in fact been stripped off?
Well, definitely, that's the question we pose to Ministry of Home Affairs, and they say perhaps there is. But the fact remains that when the awards are given, there is a lot of scrutiny which is done, and perhaps most of the people, out of embarrassment, we know, have also returned their Padma awards. But in this particular case, remember, Saif Ali Khan was given this Padma Shri based on his performance in the work of art and the work of films. But definitely, Ministry of Home Affairs has also evaded a direct question by saying it's a matter under consideration. So obviously there seems to be no direct complaint, and obviously there was also news that there could be some sort of a patch up between that businessman and Saif Ali Khan, but directly as such they're saying there are no direct complaints. But the Ministry of Home Affairs status remains the same, that the application, this sort of a complaint, is under investigation, is under consideration. The fact remains that there are many pros and cons, and obviously even after awards are given, a lot of people have certain objections. There are lobbies, there are biases, but the fact remains there are not many complaints regarding this.
Right.
One of these is by the RTI activist himself.
Kamaljeet, I'm going to have to interrupt you. We have Mr. Subhash Agarwal, the RTI activist who's filed this complaint with the government, on the phone line. Mr. Agarwal, what were your complaints really? What is your exception to Saif Ali Khan being conferred this award?
See, when the award was confirmed to Saif Ali Khan, even at that time there were many criminal cases against him. So, and now when I filed this complaint again in March 2014, it was relating to some scuffle in some Bombay restaurant. And unfortunately, what happens that investigating agencies who clear the names of recommendations made by award committee do not do their job perfectly. And this is because of the fact that the time given to investigating agencies is very short. And I tried to inquire about the name of person having recommended name of Saif Ali Khan. Then they said the awards committee recommended. Now awards committee consists of 10 members. Which member recommended? It is not known. And awards committee meets for just few hours on 2 or 3 days and selects 100 names unanimously out of about 1,500 files. This is just possible only when award committee endorses some pre-prepared list. And this whole selection process is something suspicious when no minutes of meeting of awards committee are maintained, and even the initial process of officials recommending the names of officials clearing the files of recommendations are not given. Nothing is there. It is all secret. And once the awards were discontinued also, then Supreme Court formulated some guidelines according to which this awards committee had to be formed. But this is also not proper, and the awards committee simply endorses some pre-selected names. And once there was an incident, one telephonic confirmation of awards committee members were taken for approving the name of some person just on the 24th January, just on the eve of announcing the name.
Mr. Agarwal, what you're essentially saying is that the process itself is ad hoc. Why not challenge the process? Why target Saif Ali Khan specifically? Is it because he's an actor?
Wrong. It has fault. It is totally faulty.
Then, sir, why target just Saif Ali Khan? When you're saying your basic problem is with the selection process, why are you targeting an actor
I have
specifically?
targeted another such person, a willful bank defaulter, Arun Firodia.
Okay.
And even in this particular year, there was some person, Sushant Das Gupta, whose name was announced, but when objections were received against his name, then he was finally not conferred with Padma Award. What I am saying that if complaint against some Padma awardee comes, then proper investigation should be made, and if the complaint is true, then award should be taken back. It will make Padma awardees behave responsibility in public life.
Mr. Agarwal, one last question. Very briefly, I want to know why now. This incident, the pub brawl, took place in 2012. Why have you raised this issue today?
No, I have not raised this today. I raised in the year when the award was confirmed. Then also I raised the issue. And I raised similar issues with all those whose complaints against whom I received. I am just quoting the name of Arun Firodia, who was a willful bank defaulter. I raised my objection against his name also.
All right, Mr. S.C. Agarwal, thank you very much for speaking with Headlines today. The RTI activist who's filed a complaint with the government, a complaint, remember, that is now being examined and being taken very seriously by the MHA against the Padma honour that was conferred to actor Saif Ali Khan.